man, dude, want to hear a story? Don't be worried. Playing with the boat, right? Getting the boat set up, and fucking Nick's got the gas can right in front of the carburetor, and the gas can catches fire. Yeah, and the gas can catches fire, and I couldn't do nothing about it. And fucking, it just like stayed on fire, like for like 2 minutes. Like we couldn't do anything about it. Like we couldn't put it out, and it was just nuts. I could have just touched Nick's bike. Yeah. Hold on, babe. Sorry, I'm on the freeway and I was going crazy. Okay, I'm coming back down. My bad. So, are you there? You got a second? So, we go to start his boat. Okay, we get his boat started. We got this gas can right next to the carburetor. Long story short, it fucking backfired. What? I'm telling Hope the story right now. It fucking backfired, and when it backfired, it caught the gas can on fire. No, we caught the gas can and the boat on fire, and when we caught those two on fire, we had to put them out, but the water wouldn't put out the gas can, of course. So we were just like, oh shit, the gas can's on fire. And so fucking finally, like, he came out with some baking soda and we got it to go out, right? So crazy, almost caught on fire, almost blew up a fucking 5-gallon gas can of fucking, yeah, 5-gallon gas can. And I put my phone on the mount, and like all of a sudden I'm like, my Cena connects and it's ringing, and I look down, 911 answers. I'm like, oh shit! I'm like, oh no. And I'm like trying to hang up, and your gloves don't work on my phone. For some reason mine do and yours don't. So anyways, I hung up, obviously, so they called me back, and I'm like, I am so sorry, I'm on a motorcycle and I have a mount, and it literally just dialed you guys. And he's like, oh, so accidental? And I was like, totally accidental, I'm so sorry. And fucking, he's like, we just gotta confirm it, and then they just hang up. So I was like, oh, whoops. Yeah, we're good. No, his boat's fine. His boat is fine. So, yeah, crazy, right? I love you, baby. I'll call you in a second. I'm almost to Tyler's. Love you. Appreciate you riding along tonight. It's been a little crazy night. Hopefully there's not a cop sitting there, Nick. Oh. Whoops. Oh, I guess he's following me home. Are you following me home? What are you doing? Where are you going? So good to be on the bike. So nice. Oh man. Nick. Oh, the arm pump that went along with that. Perfect. I wonder if we passed any cops on the way around. That was so long. Oh my god. That was a 130 mile an hour wheelie. 130. Let's get off.
A few moments later.
Woo. I say those are the best wheelies we've done. I saw that cop, you saw him? That's why I was like, let's just get off. I'd rather get off because I'm like, sitting there thinking like, how many cops am I going by on the other side?
Behind us, bro, I could have swore that was a fucking cop, bro. He started going, he came up right on our asses.
family, well, I think this is where I end it. It was a beautiful, warm 75. Had a good old time with the opponent. God, that bike's gnarly sounding. A good old time with the friends and family. Hopefully you stay tuned for some more. I'm trying to upload more. Say deuces. All right, family. We'll see you next time.